morning. Okay, let me be quiet. I gotta go somewhere. It's literally 6 in the morning. I hope no one wakes up. I hope no one follows me. Alright. Huh? What does Tyzo mean by no following? Let me just follow him. Okay, finally I'm here. Let me go to the cabin. Oh my gosh. Alright. Knock, knock. Huh? Oh my gosh, that must be Dad. Dad, the door's open. First say the magic word. Big bro, Dad's here. Dad's here. What do you want? Dad, Dad's here? Dad, the door's open. First say the magic word so we know it's you. Alright, I'm gonna say it. Dr. Bingaringle. Can I now come in? Oh, hi, son. I'm back. Why are you guys up at 6 in the morning? I thought I would come and surprise y'all. The hell does he mean my sons? Huh? Wait. Oh my god. Am I dreaming? Are those baby versions of Tyzo? Or are they his sons? I gotta tell everybody. Everybody! Ah! Huh? Somebody must be outside. Alright, stay here, boys. Let me go. Wait, I know that. Sorks! Did you seriously follow me from the kingdom? You little brat. Yeah, I just wondered where you were going. I can see you have sons, right? Everybody! I'm gonna tell everybody you can't stop me. No, you're not. I'm not afraid to shoot my own brother. Either if you keep your mouth shut and it lets you live, or you die and go to heaven. Choose one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll rather live. Yes, sir. My gosh. But can I see your sons? Don't worry, Dad. I got you. Pew, pew. Dad, can you give me a real gun? This one only shoots at rubber bullets. It's so not fair. No, I'm not getting you a new gun. And this guy is my brother. So just call him Uncle, right, son? And let's just have a quick talk. Let me put the fire. Alright, so, Sorks, why did you follow me? I don't know, dude. I just wanted to see where you were gonna go. Guys, cut the chit chat. Oh my gosh, where's my older brother? Finally. Is the baby trying to open the door again? My gosh, baby. It's like this. Oh, wait, is my baby boy awake? Oh, is my baby boy awake? Oh, hello, boy. How are you? How was your sleep? Oh, that's weird. It says Tyzo's location is unknown. Where is he? It says lakeside or something. Why is he there? I'm gonna go there. I wonder why he's there and what he's doing. Oh, so you're going with Tyzo? You're going with Tyzo? You're going... Can I come with you? Can I come with you? Whatever. Alright, you can come with me. But the whole crew has to come with us in case of something dangerous. Hey everyone, destination. Wait, what was the destination again? Just go! Let's go! Alright guys, we're here. Huh? Yeah, we're here, but I see nothing. I think they're inside the house. Hey, you guys, stay away from here. I'm Sharp, the dark. And my master told me for no one to come here. And yeah. So, stay away from here or you guys shall die. Yep, it's either you guys fight us or just go away and live your good life. It's already night, so yeah. So it's the perfect time for fighting. But do you want to die or live? Guys, chill. Tyzo just told us to let them be. But unless if they're their friends, just tell them to go away. We don't fight them. They're too powerful. So, guys, we can't attack them. These are his friends. So, yeah, guys, you guys can't come here. I'm sorry. There are only two people here, Tyzo and Sora. Wompity womp. I never thought I was gonna use my band hammer these days to fight, but it's really tempting. You really want me to use it, huh? Trust me on this one. You don't want to know what we're gonna do to you if you guys want to fight. You guys don't want to know. And Tyzo's my son, so I have special permission for all of us to go inside. So move out of the way, please. Why are my friends here? Oh my gosh, bro. This is gonna be way much worse, bro. Why is my father and mother here? Why is everyone here? Ugh. Your guards, don't fight them. They're my friends. They can come in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, are you sure we can allow these intruders here? I don't know them, and I don't know if you know them, but I don't know if we can trust them. Yeah, I probably wouldn't trust them if I were you, but sure, I'm your side man, so yeah. As long as I can join you guys' crew, that's what we're all working for. Dad? Yeah, we want to join your crew, so yeah, that's why we're working in this position. So yeah, yes sir. A quad of people you got there. Let's have this conversation at our kingdom, and we'll see if you guys can join the crew or whatever. And why are you here anyway? Guys, this might be breaking news to you, but I have 3 sons. What? Yo, bro, I just taught your son how to... Oh, no. They're here. Sup, guys? Hello, sir. I'm... My name is Tyzo. And that's my dad. Glad to meet you. Hi, I'm Tyzo, and I'm the oldest brother. And yeah, that's my dad. And those are my sons, and that's my youngest son. He can't speak yet. He can only say dada. And yeah, so my that son, his name is Kaizo. His name is Kaizo. So yeah. This is my family, guys. And yeah, that's why I always sneak off. So, yeah. Alright, finally, after this long conversation, can they finally join the crew? Glitch, please, can they finally join the crew? And also my sons and all the others? They are really good helpers, and what they said to me? So, I mean, you're a part of the crew. And yeah. We don't have rooms, but but you guys are gonna share a room with anyone, and we're also gonna add a bed. And for that small guy, what was your name? My name is Mal the doll. My name is Vegeta. Yeah. And yeah. Son, tell him your name. All right, Dad. I'm Trunks. Yeah, Trunks. I already told you my name before, so yeah, let my brothers tell you their name. My name is Zero. Just call me Zero. My name is Zero. So yeah. I'm Fame the Game. Yep, that's my name. Fame the Game. We told you guys our names, so yeah. Yep, we told you our names, so yeah. We're gonna sleep in our dad's room, if that's okay. And the baby's sleeping, and he also can't speak. He can just say blah 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 blah. I do not speak baby language, so yeah. So you guys all know our names, and we're going to bed.